welcome back to my channel. And today guys, we're heading to our vaccination center. Third dose. A booster. So, I want to show you guys there. So, we're here now in the highway. There is highway. Wednesday. There is. Oh, there now. Traffic. It's coming. It's the mountain. Look at the mountain. Have no trees. It's desert. Okay, guys, see you there. Here's RJ. And Daddy. Here is Farmington Station.
That truck won't turn.
Stuck.
They want to build an office right there. Look at that Nissan. That red little car. That's the Cube.
Cube.
The red Cube Nissan. Where's the...
There is the Legacy Center. The blue building.
There's nobody there, look.
Legacy.
Looks like no one's getting shots anymore.
The only few. Indeed.
Vaccine clinic, turn here.
There is vaccine.
No testing services available.
Yep.
I looked on the map, they're not making you go all the way around now. Yeah, they're making you go in closer now. So.
It's good, so that's shortcut. See, it's shortcut naman eh. We follow that corner. There it is.
We need like we need like a big parking lot like this.
Yeah, so big.
Come
Oh.
back out here, let
Yeah,
me do it.
nice here. It's so big.
Zigzag.
But maybe it's not allowed.
They're not that.
Pick a lane.
But if there was no lines here, you would just swim right over those birds over
No,
there.
only here, honey. Have
There's birds in the middle here. And that.
mask. Okay.
How are you guys?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Booster, this is Pfizer booster.
Yes.
Alright, and you are good to go. Just make sure you have your ID and your vaccine card once you get signed.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Hey, wear mask, honey. Yes. Here it comes.
They just tarred this. This is new.
Huh?
They just put tar down. This is dirt before.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, so that it makes shortcut.
Before you have to go all the way down there.
Yep. This is only the booster shot, so less people are getting it.
Like drive it all the way down there. All the way down there. And then you went that way.
There is the entrance.
Put that shade up.
Entrance.
I can't see. Shade.
But the there is. Oh, go here now. The right. There is.
Just you?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
When you're ready, I'll get out and do the right.
What we'll do is we'll just open the door and have you slide your feet out, and
Okay.
that's all it will take.
Okay.
And I'm so glad you're here. So confirming that you're getting your booster of Pfizer.
Right.
Is that right?
Yes.
And no complications with your first dose?
No.
Okay. I'll be with you in just a moment.
Okay.
Here he is. It's a Pfizer. That's good.
Okay, so I'm down to 1, 2. Okay, I will drop that.
Yep.
Have you opened?
Oh, hold on.
I did it before he unlocked it. Oh, there we go. How are you doing today?
Okay.
How did you do on your first 2 doses?
Okay.
Great. All right. All right, I'm going to have you relax your arm. There you go. I want it nice and loose. All right, if you can just...
Right down.
Right there. Perfect.
This is the Pfizer.
Yes, this is Pfizer. And that's what you had before, correct?
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
This keeps coming down.
I know, it happens. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me get your Band-Aid. Okay, so as with your first 2 doses, it's not uncommon to have mild flu-like symptoms. Fever, headache, chills, that type of thing. Rest and fluids can help with that.
Okay.
It's also not uncommon to have that shoulder feel really sore, so the more you move it, the less sore it will become.
Okay.
And Gary has got your card.
Okay.
Great job getting vaccinated again.
Yeah. Not too busy. What's going on?
In the
Earlier.
in a day it was, but yeah,
Slow
slow
down.
down just a little bit. But it's gonna pick up.
Oh, you put it on the back.
There you go. So, yep, there you go, and shows that you had your vaccine today. Things that are shortness of breath or something that makes you feel uncomfortable, just honk your horn, and we'll have somebody come and check you out.
Okay.
Any questions?
Nope.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
There you go. It's done.
I forgot my phone.
Oh my goodness.
Bring yours.
Yeah.
Oh, they do want to? Okay. Did they tell
So
you
what
that?
time we got?
It's what time? I not know is the time now. What time? 4:32, Hannah. There is.
So 4:30 when I got the shot.
Yeah. There you go. You go out now. Huh. It's so little there. Not look like before, Hannah.
I know. This where we go?
Yeah. There it is. Outside. Please wait 15 minutes after the vaccine. And here is the view. And that there is look like a horse. Okay guys, we here now in the parking lot and we're waiting for 15 minutes for daddy. Vaccinated now daddy. Okay guys, we go home now.
You come back in January.
Yeah, my turn January. My booster vaccination. So we go home now guys. So already we've done the 15 minutes waiting there in parking lot. So let's go.
I see the weird.
Go get 2 of those. It'd be like $20.
Where you gonna buy that?
We're here now, Starbucks.
Hey there, welcome to Starbucks. I'll be with you in just a moment.
Okay. Have that lemon slice cake, the lemon cake.
We do.
I'll take 1 of those,
All right.
and also an egg breakfast sandwich.
Which breakfast sandwich?
I can't see it. The sun's reflecting on it. What just egg? They have just egg on a biscuit, or what do you have for breakfast? An egg biscuit.
Bacon egg?
Right. That's it.
All righty. Is that all in the food?
Yes, that's all in the food.
Okay, give me just a moment to put that breakfast sandwich in the oven for you.
Okay. Okay. That's
Does
it.
that work for you?
Yep.
All right, that'll be $10.99 at the window for you.
Okay.
Favorites and espresso.
RJ don't like the bacon. We'll let him look at it at home.
so bright.
Hey there. That's $10.99. Would you like a receipt with that?
Yes. Thanks.
All right. Here's that lemon loaf.
This is,
Here's that baking Gouda. And here's that coffee.
cream's in it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. What?
Oh, I think you turned off the engine.
Oh, it's quiet. It's a Honda. It's a nice car.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quiet, honey. I cannot tell if you're running.
To get an electric car, could be the same way.
Here's Daddy and RJ in the Hobbit. I'm here, guys, waiting here. Daddy, they're in the Hobbit. So it's cold here. See that? Open the sunroof. See the sunroof. This Daddy and RJ is coming back. Hi guys, and now guys, we here now in the house, and that's it for today guys, and I hope we see you next time. Bye bye for now.